नमस्कार दोस्तों, खंड यात्रा में आपका स्वागत है। वेलकम टू अनदर व्लॉग। हाउ इज द साउंड ऑफ द मोटरसाइकिल? कैन यू हियर द रंबल? कैन यू हियर द बेस? इट्स द रूस्टर। पागल हो गया। Some drug addict was trying to race with me. So how's the day? By the way, it looks like the gods of Punjab are not happy with the actual Punjab. There is no rain happening here at all. It is raining everywhere, but not in here. अबे ये सामने वाला मेरे ऐसा बैग लेके जा रहा है। Yeah, I bought that Swiss military bag that the person was wearing just now. Just recently I bought it. Anywho, how are you? How's life going? So many things to talk about today, man. I'm still waiting on the K&N filter for the bike, and the vendor told me his shipment should arrive this week. So let's see what the performance difference would be like after I get the actual filter. Anyway, so yeah, that is that. And did you check out the bottle holder that I just got here? I installed it yesterday only. Actually मैंने thermos खरीदा था 1 लीटर का, which was a slightly smaller one, but apparently that is too big for this bottle holder. Yeah, he wants to race, I think, the TVS Ronin dude. ईगो हट हो गई लगता है इसकी। Anyway, Acha, by the way, something interesting, hello, whatever, but something happened yesterday. The first puncture of my motorcycle happened, and it was so bad that I had to replace the tube of the rear tire. There was a huge, इतना बड़ा पेच घुसा हुआ था टायर के अंदर. Well, I was going to the work yesterday ना. Think जो मैं कच्चे रास्ते से निकलता हूँ ना, I think उधर कहीं हुआ है ये. Reason being, after that ना, my bike started to feel a little heavy. I figured शायद psychological है, so I did not really think too much about it. So what happened was, yesterday was a really, not a good day for me, I would say, even at work. So I'll start from the beginning. Once I reached office, I logged into the systems that I need to work on, the server. Okay, and one of the servers was not talking to the other server. I won't tell the details, but there was an issue. I tried to diagnose it, but I couldn't. And so I called my senior in Chennai. I asked him how to figure this out. He told me few troubleshooting things. Those did not work. So kept trying few other things, 1 or 2 different things, but those didn't work either. So eventually half a day went by, and finally we were able to diagnose the problem and get the server running back online. And once that was finished, I figured कि okay, I had a stressful day because I was totally stressed out. यार ये हो क्यों रहा है? And I could not figure out how to fix it myself. Thanks to the senior in Chennai who helped me resolve the problem. And once it was solved, I was very happy. And I figured कि चल यार, अब एक break लेते हैं. I'll go to the shop nearby, have a soft drink or something, whatever. I treat myself a little. तो स्ट्रेस खत्म हुआ है थोड़ा सा. I sat on my motorcycle. My motorcycle was on double stand ना. I always park it on double stand. So I sat on the motorcycle. जैसी stand से उतारी, पीछे से बैठ गई. I go, what just happened? देखा, it was puncture. So I was like, oh shit, because this is not a tubeless system ना. I am using spokes. I don't want alloys, and spokes don't come with tubeless tires. Tubeless tires होते तो I could have just easily made the puncture myself, much easier. मुझे tubeless tire का puncture लगाना आता है, so not a big deal. But of course this is a tubed tire. I got shit. तो stand पे वापस खड़ा किया, टायर घुमाया तो उसमें से कितना मोटा, इतना लंबा पेच निकला. That gypsum पेच, the gypsum screws ना, वो निकाला मैंने प्लास से. And I figured कि यार अब इसको घसीट के लेके जाना पड़ेगा ये nearby puncture shop, which was around 1.5 kilometers from the office. We are in the industrial area, but industrial area के अंदर कोई नहीं है. Industrial area के बिल्कुल बाहर आना पड़ा मुझे घसीट के. So I asked the housekeeping person at the office to push the motorcycle, and both of us pushed the motorcycle to the puncture shop. He made the puncture. He said, good thing you took out the screw. He made the puncture, and while he was inserting the tube bag, he figured out that there are more than one punctures. in the tire, in the tube. Line से ना 6-7 पंचर थे, which was very concerning for me. He was about to fix those punctures, but he kept finding more and more punctures, which got me really concerned. So I asked him to stop. I said, yeah, stop, don't worry about this. Do you have a new tube? He said, yes. I said, okay, leave it, put a new tube, forget this. I'll put some pictures on the screen right now, and you can see he had to take the whole wheel off, and obviously to put a new tube you have to take the whole wheel off. So yeah, instead of it being a half an hour job, it took 2 hours to actually complete. And yeah, 12 बजे we started and 2 o'clock we finished. Did not eat lunch. 2 बजे lunch खाने को मिला मुझे finally. And yeah man, got so tired. मेरी शर्ट वगैरह सब पूरी भीग रखी थी, ऐसा लग रहा था किसी ने मेरे पे पानी फेंका है. It was actually all sweat. So yeah, that was yesterday. Man, it was a stressful day. Good thing I remembered where the puncture shop was, because you know जब मैं enter करता हूँ ना industrial area में, that puncture shop comes at the entrance of the area. Anyway, I got the tube changed and everything, and it was so stressful. Anyway, गुड थिंग मुझे आई डोंट हैव टू वरी कि यार टायर दोबारा पंक्चर हो गया, क्योंकि बिकॉज मुझे ये लग रहा था कि अगर मैं पंक्चर लगवा लूँ एंड देयर आर सो मेनी पंक्चर्स ना, इट वुड बी डिफिकल्ट टू आइसोलेट और द पंक्चर्स, और सुबह मेरे को दोबारा पंक्चर मिलेगा मोटरसाइकिल. मैं ये चाहता नहीं था, मेरे पास टाइम नहीं होता. ऑफिस इज़ नॉट दैट ईजी, इट्स क्वाइट हेक्टिक. मुझे बस इतना था कि यार ये सॉर्ट आउट है प्रॉब्लम एंड आई डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट इट अगेन अनलेस अंटिल आई गेट अनदर पंक्चर लेटर ऑन इन द फ्यूचर, व्हिच कैन हैपन. एनीहू, दैट्स द स्टोरी. फाइनली उद्घाटन हो गया पंक्चर का. टायर में छेद हो गया इतना बड़ा पिछले वाले में उस पेज की वजह से, विच आई एम नॉट लाइकिंग एट ऑल. आई एम नॉट हैप्पी अबाउट दैट. एंड या दैट इज़ द स्टोरी. उसके अलावा और तो कोई अपडेट्स है नहीं मेरी बाइक में, अदर देन दैट that K&N filter which I'm waiting for, to the Red Rooster. The only thing I installed is that bottle holder that you can see down there. Yeah, अरे हाँ यार, because so hot now, it is not raining, it is not cooling down. मेरी पीठ पे घमौरियाँ हो गई हैं. Yesterday only my wife saw it and मैं अपनी पीठ पे हाथ फैल रहा था and I suddenly noticed कि यार ये क्या है, इतनी अजीब सी क्यों रखी लेदर जैसी स्किन पीठ की. Why does it feel like dry leather? I asked my wife to look at it and she said कि घमौरियाँ हो के ना जल गई हैं and they have dried out and ब्राउन रखी हैं सारी. So yeah, I think wearing this jacket or wearing jackets during the ride na, and obviously I have to wear a backpack also, that is causing a lot of sweat in the back, which is the reason why getting all these gamoriyas and etc on the back. So anyway, because of the puncture na, I have decided that I am not going to go through that road again जहाँ पे वो broken वो है, टूटी सड़क से गुजरना पड़ता है, क्योंकि वहाँ कंस्ट्रक्शन बहुत चल रही है, राउंड अबाउट्स बहुत बन रहे हैं. तो उसकी वजह से ना मुझे डाउट है कि उसी के वहीं पंक्चर हुआ है. एनीवे, सो इंस्टेड टुडे आई विल, फ्रॉम टुडे ऑनवर्ड एक्चुअली आई विल बी गोइंग वाया द एयरपोर्ट रोड ओनली, व्हिच इज गोइंग टू टेक लॉन्गर, क्योंकि यहाँ पे सारी इलेक्ट्रिक लाइट्स बहुत हैं. आई हैव टू प्रीटी मच पास थ्रू द होल एयरपोर्ट रोड. इट्स ओके, आई गेस better than getting a puncture every day, every other day, whatever. I'm going to keep going on this road. And yeah, another story that I recently experienced now with Flipkart. I wanted to discuss that, क्योंकि इतने टाइम से मैंने vlog नहीं बनाया ना, 10-12 days हो चुके हैं. I ordered a Voltas refrigerator. I think it was 340 liters or something, ऐसी कुछ था वो. So I ordered it. I actually received it, and anyway the fridge is good, not an issue with the fridge, but I received a broken piece. So Flipkart has the policy na, for the open box delivery policy. They opened the fridge and we checked. As soon as they opened the door, जो नीचे वाला cabin होता है ना fridge का, that was totally smashed. So I refused to take the delivery. We refused to give the OTP. Right. So they took it back. They were really annoyed. Yeah, they took it back and they said कि आपको 24 hours में ना दूसरा फ्रिज आ जाएगा. But later that night, what happened was they actually cancelled the order, which really annoyed me. So I said कि यार क्या है, क्या बकवास है. So they cancelled the order. I got really annoyed. So anyway, it was a double door fridge. Few days later na, I decided कि I'm going to order a side by side, an even bigger fridge, because anyway my requirements were actually more than 400 liters. But at first I decided to settle on a 340, But then I thought कि चल अब मैं खरीद रहा हूँ ना, let's buy a proper big one. So I bought a side by side. I ordered a side by side from Flipkart only. Okay, I think it was 470 liters. Voltas का ही था, Voltas Beko. Beko is a Turkish company. They are making fridges in collaboration with Voltas in India, or Voltas is making fridges in collaboration with Beko in India, whatever, whichever way you want to put it. So I ordered that fridge, and it was a next day delivery. I was very happy with about it. So next day they came. We live on the second floor, okay, and it was completely mentioned in the address of the delivery. So those fridge people came, they looked around and they said the fridge is too big, we cannot deliver it to you, and they refused to bring it upstairs. And in fact they even asked us to get our own people so that they can deliver it, they can pick it up and bring it upstairs, which was like, what the hell, who does that? What business has done that? I don't really know. So that's when I realized that Flipkart people are extremely unprofessional, and I'm a plus member of Flipkart. So they said कि पहले तो उन्होंने ये किया, and then they said कि you should cancel it and get a smaller fridge. Why? I am paying for a bigger fridge. Why do you care? Who are you to tell me to get a smaller fridge? इस हालत तुम कम्युनिज्म में रह रहे हो क्या? कम्युनिस्ट हो क्या? मेरे को बता रहे हैं कौन सा लेना है मुझे फ्रिज. They are going to make decision on behalf of my life, bloody idiot. So anywho, I kept waiting. I made a complaint about those delivery people, these thing, what do you call them, the customer care people. They said ki yeah, no, you're right. They told me I'm right because I have mentioned that I live on the second floor and they will deliver till the second floor without the lift. Okay, so the customer care people were taking my side, but those delivery idiots, they refused to deliver. So this kept going on for a week. पूरा एक हफ्ता निकल गया. Sunday को order किया था, Monday को आना था. Then next Sunday came, which was the last Sunday, and I finally got fed up. And on Monday morning, 7 o'clock in the morning, I called the Flipkart customer care and I asked them to cancel the bloody thing. Right, and I told them that I'm never going to do any shopping at their store anymore, because what kind of behavior is this, that you are telling the customer lies and you're telling that कि हाँ ठीक नहीं आपका deliver हो जाएगा. And every day what they were doing, they were putting the fridge out for delivery, and but they will never deliver it, which was the most annoying part. So I kept waiting, but they never delivered it. Anywho, eventually cancelled it. Now I am going to order another fridge, which is of course not going to be a side by side because I can't find the right model. I've gone back to the double door, this normal double door fridge. So yeah, but I think it has the similar capacity to the side by side, and it is, in terms of the surface area, it is smaller. So even if they have trouble ना getting it in up the stairs, which I don't think, because हमने तो पूरा shift किया था और हमें तो कोई दिक्कत हुई नहीं. 2 double beds चढ़े थे हमारे, हमें तो कोई problem आई नहीं उसमें. So anywho, so I've finally shortlisted another Voltas Beko, and hopefully I will order that soon from the Amazon. And once I get that, I'll show you in one of the vlogs. I don't remember how big it is. I think it is around 400 something liters. I can't tell, I can't remember. I'll put a picture of it, yeah, in the vlog. If I get it, well and good. If I don't, then I don't know what I'm going to do, because we have already sold a fridge that we brought with us from Noida, and we only have a small fridge, 190 या 180 liters का एक fridge है हमारे पास, छोटा सा Samsung का, and it is not big enough for us. We want a bigger fridge. 400 plus की हमें requirement है. So yeah, that was my recent experience with Flipkart. Being a perfect customer, they told us that you are a perfect customer because I have never delayed any payments. Even if I bought anything from their pay later system, my payments were always before time. Not even on time, before time I always pay, right? So they said you are a perfect customer according to their profile in their system, according to my profile. So anyway, even having that type of, me being that good to them and not ruining my own profile, this is how they treated me. So anywho, the moral of the story, you cannot trust any Indian brand, to be honest. मुझे अब ऐसा लगने लगा है, because पहले तो मैं बड़ा pro Indian था, but now I have slowly realized कि इट्स जस्ट मार्केटिंग टैक्टिक. यू कैन नॉट एक्चुअली ट्रस्ट एनीबडी इन दिस कंट्री. मुझे अभी तक अमेजोन के साथ ही ठीक रहा है एक्सपीरियंस, विच इज़ एन अमेरिकन कंपनी एंड दे एक्चुअली टेक केयर ऑफ देयर कस्टमर्स. बट दीज फ्लिपकार्ट पीपल, ना, नेवर. नो वंडर दे आर लूजिंग मार्केट शेयर. पहले एक टाइम पे फ्लिपकार्ट वॉज द किंग, बट नाउ नोबडी केयर्स अबाउट देम. दैट्स द रीसेंट स्टोरी दैट आई हैव गॉन थ्रू. यार यहाँ से जाना ना मेरे को बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है. यहाँ पे तो इतने सारे लोग हैं एंड एयरपोर्ट रोड से माई प्रीवियस रूट वॉज मच बेटर, बट ऑफ कोर्स यहाँ पे कंस्ट्रक्शन इतनी है एंड देयर इज दैट कच्चा रोड विच आई थिंक इज द रीजन ऑफ माई पंक्चर यस्टरडे. उसकी वजह से मैं अब वहाँ से जाना बंद करना पड़ रहा है मुझे. बट एनीवे, दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम रिकॉर्डिंग अ व्लॉग ऑन दिस रूट, सो आई थॉट कि आई विल डू दैट. बहुत दिन से सोच रहा हूँ व्लॉगिंग करने की, बट कुछ ना कुछ हो ही जाता था कि जिसकी वजह से मैं व्लॉग नहीं बना पाता था. और ये थोड़ा ना टायर्ड सा भी रहने लग गया हूँ मैं. उसके पीछे रीज़न है एक्चुअली. अभी लास्ट वीक ना on Wednesday, till Wednesday, we had some woodwork to be done in the office, and my boss, he was unable to find a woodworker or a carpenter to get the job done because it wasn't a big project, it was only a small project. Nobody was ready to come to the industrial area and to do the job at a reasonable price. So the day before that, I told a couple of people in the office that I used to do woodwork, which is also I'm telling that to you now. I used to be a woodworker around 4 years ago. I had a workshop in Delhi and I had a full workshop in Delhi. I would make modular cabinets and almiras, etc. So I showed them a video of me making my son's cot or the crib, whatever you want to call it, and I showed them the video. And on Wednesday, my boss, he asked me to do this job. Of course, it's going to be a paid job, and he said, "Bring your tools and finish this because we really need to get this done because it was an important part of the requirement of the office." So anywho, I said okay, I'll do it, not an issue. So half of Thursday, half of Friday and full Saturday I spent doing this. Why half of Thursday and why half of Friday? Because as I said, I'm an IT administrator. So I had my IT job also. So what I would do, I would try to get as much work done in the half day and then I'll continue with the woodworking project. So once that was completed on Saturday, I decided on Saturday कि यार मैं इसे ख़त्म करके ही रहूँगा क्योंकि बहुत टायरिंग हो रहा था यार उसकी वजह से. Because I have not done any woodworking for 4 years and my body is not used to it anymore. तो उसकी वजह से I figured कि Saturday I'm going to spend the whole day getting this job done and getting my tools out of here because बहुत ज़्यादा hectic हो रहा था, बहुत ज़्यादा tiring हो रहा था. So anyway, job was completed. I brought my tools back. I'll show you a picture how I took my tools to the office. It looked like I was going on a tour. It was very funny. So yeah, उसकी वजह से क्योंकि मेरे को सिर्फ संडे ही ऑफ मिलता है. सैटरडे संडे तो ऑफ होता नहीं है, सिर्फ संडे ही होता है. And one day is not enough to get good rest for after such kind of work. तो मैंने उसकी वजह से काफ़ी थका सा रह रहा था for past 2-3 days ना. एंड कल वेडनेसडे था, टुडे थर्सडे. 2 दिन मंडे ट्यूसडे तो मैं वैसे ही थका हुआ था. वेडनेसडे ऑल्सो आई वॉज वेरी टायर्ड एंड आई वॉज स्ट्रेस्ड आउट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट सर्वर प्रॉब्लम. और फिर पंक्चर वाला इशू हुआ और 1.5 किलोमीटर फिर मुझे अपनी बाइक के सीट के लेके जानी पड़ी वहाँ तक, पंक्चर शॉप तक, which brought back all the tiredness. जितनी थकान उतरी थी वो दोबारा चढ़ गई. So I got tired again. Anyway, still feeling a little tired from all this for the past week. ऐसे चल रहा है up and down सा life में. But anyway, hopefully I'll get some good rest. My plan this Sunday is to take my family to a restaurant in Sector 47. It's a South Indian restaurant called Karthike. I think if you are here in Chandigarh area, should go there. They are authentic South Indian restaurant. I took my senior who came here from Chennai to that restaurant on the day of him leaving, on Monday actually, a couple of days ago, and he really loved it. He said he literally told me thank you for bringing me here because he really enjoyed the food. He told that it was authentic South Indian food. And anyway, that restaurant is actually very famous around here in terms of South Indian food. Very genuine price and very good food. So I'm planning to go there on Sunday, have a bit of an outing. तो कितना टाइम हो गया outing कुछ हुई नहीं फैमिली के साथ. वाइफ भी चढ़ाने लग जाती है, ऐसा होने लग जाए. So yeah, that is the plan right now. Today hopefully आज कोई इशू ना आए सर्वर में. बस अब मैं पहुँचने वाला हूँ ऑफिस. अब मुझे आज कोई दिक्कत ना आए because I'm getting really frustrated. इतना स्ट्रेसफुल सा होने लग गया है ना. जा भाई, तेरे को आफत मच रही है। अब मैं बस पहुंचने वाला हूँ ऑफिस। यहाँ से मेरे को राइट लेना है टू एंटर द इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया वेयर आई वर्क। यहाँ पे बहुत जाम लगता है भाई। फॉर पास्ट कपल ऑफ डेज ना आई एम सीइंग सो मेनी एक्सीडेंट्स। इनफैक्ट डे बिफोर yesterday आई in the morning ना when I come to the office I always stop at a shop near my house, right? So like every other day I stopped there. जैसे ही मैंने बाइक पार्क करी, स्कूटी वाला राइट नेक्स्ट टू मी was going so fast और वहाँ पे सडनली एक स्पीड ब्रेकर सा आता है एंड आई डोंट नो व्हाट ही वाज थिंकिंग और ही वाज ट्राइंग टू शो ऑफ और व्हाटएवर ही वाज डूइंग। उसने पीछे की ब्रेक लगाई स्कूटी की, स्कूटी स्टार्टेड टू स्किड और वो थोड़ी सी साइड में स्लिप होने लगी, एंगल लेने लगी और उसको वो कंट्रोल करने के लिए ही एक्चुअली गॉट स्कैर्ड, राइट? उसने अपना कंट्रोल करने के लिए व्हिच वाज अ स्टूपिड मूव, ही प्रेस्ड द फ्रंट ब्रेक, जिसकी वजह से उसके आगे का भी और पीछे का भी दोनों के टायर स्किड करे एंड ही जस्ट फेल राइट नेक्स्ट टू मी। मैं गया उसके पास, मैंने उसकी स्कूटी बंद करी और उसकी स्कूटी उठाई और मैंने आया तुम क्या हो गया भाई? कह रहा पता नहीं भैया क्यों स्लिप हो गई बाइक। मैं कहा साले स्किड मारी है तूने इसलिए स्लिप हो गया तेरी। कहते नहीं पता नहीं मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा हुआ क्या। चल ठीक है जा, तू तेरे को लगी तो नहीं ना? कहते नहीं। हाँ ठीक है जा। एनीवे राइट नेक्स्ट टू मी, जैसे ये साइड में स्कूटी खड़ी है ना इतनी डिस्टेंस पे, मेरे वो गिरा था आके। वेरी फनी एंड या आई थिंक on Monday it was Monday on this road only, the airport road जहाँ पे शुरू होती है ना, मैं जहाँ से फ्लाईओवर से मुड़ता हूँ राइट, अंडरपास से मुड़ता हूँ एयरपोर्ट रोड पे चढ़ता हूँ, वहीं पे आगे जाके ना हाफ किलोमीटर आगे जाके इतना तगड़ा एक्सीडेंट हो रखा था। ऑल्टो और एक और गाड़ी थी, वो दूसरी गाड़ी तो पहचानी ही नहीं जा रही थी बिकॉज इट रोल्ड कपल ऑफ टाइम्स और वो बिल्कुल ही फ्लैट हो रखा था उसका फेस कम्प्लीटली फ्लैट था और पूरा रोल होके पड़ी हुई थी वो मीडियन पे जो सेंटर पार्टीशन होता है, राइट? मुझे ऐसा फील हो रहा है कि आजकल ना बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सीडेंट्स हो रहे हैं एंड उसकी वजह से ना आई ट्राई टू बी केयरफुल व्हाइल राइडिंग माई मोटरसाइकिल। आई अवॉइड राइडिंग अग्रेसिवली एंड आई ट्राई टू अवॉइड अग्रेसिव राइडर्स और ड्राइवर्स बिकॉज आई एम नोटिसिंग दिस कि यहाँ एक्सीडेंट्स का ना रेट कुछ ज़्यादा ही बढ़ गया है। एनीवे गाइज, बी केयरफुल while riding or driving क्योंकि you never know what can happen, अब क्या हो जाए कुछ नहीं कह सकते। So anyway, in the meantime have a good one. I'm going to end the vlog here. Take care and I will see you in the next vlog. Bye bye.